welcome to your daily home workout. All you need is these two bad boys for your push-ups and your sit-ups, and my favorite friend right here for your abs. All right, so let's get into it. Let's go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Back in. Do your push-ups. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Get this right here. Here I go. Here I go this way. Here I go this way. Here I go this way. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. We could come this way. And go like this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. For these five boys. Again, 12 sets. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Again. Rest for a minute. Come back. And you do your sit-ups. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. You can feel it in your triceps and your biceps. Feel it very hard. Okay? You can feel it already. Your triceps and your biceps. You do it again. 3 sets of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rest for a minute or 30 seconds. How you feel it, how you want it. Rest for. You can feel it already. Your triceps, get hard, and your biceps for your push-ups. Again. You do a set of 3 of each. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then again, this bad boys. Okay. Six, seven, eight, 12. Who needs a gym? You don't. I don't. Nobody does. This bad boys. This bad boys. This for your push-ups and your sit-ups. 3 sets of push-ups of 12, 3 sets of sit-ups of 12, 3 sets of these for your abs. You're good. You don't need a gym. You can create your own gym at home. This, that, and you're good. That's for today on home workout video. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments down below. And then press your notification bell so next time I load a workout video, you'll be the first one to see it. Again, you can do this for just 10 to 15 minutes every day. You can either do it in the morning before you go to work or at night after you get off work. Do that and then you see the results. I can feel it right in my triceps and my biceps. I can feel it already tightening up. Alright? Do it and you see the results. Thank you and peace.